projects in Cambodia a long time ago, but an issue with me is always about sustainability. When I came here again, I decided that I'm not going to be an organization or whatever. I just want to fill the gaps. The first thing when we were out in Tosambol, which is the site that's 10 kilometers away, they were introducing me to some of the people living with HIV, and they said, you know, they used to work, and then because their livelihood got taken away from them because they were evicted, you know, so I was like, what can we do to help them get back to work? So, you know, Chavlit advised me that actually if he has a bicycle, he can go back to work. So I was like, how much does a bicycle cost? And he's like, $50. I'm like, okay, sure, let's give him a bicycle, right? If that's gonna get back to work.
The bicycle can bring them go to the market or can bring them to the garment factory where they work. If we think about traveling to the market, it costs them, they have to spend 5,000 riel, I mean $1.25. Yeah. So when they have bike, they no need to spend for public transportation.
My bike is very important for me to use because my school very far from here, so I use it to go to school. I will take care of the bike and study hard.
You know, I hope that everybody who wants to come here and do good work, whether it's in Cambodia or any part of the world, ask yourself, it's not what you want to do for them, but always remember it's what we want to do has to depend on what they need and not just on what we want. And also very important thing is I don't think any of us will be able to do any good work here if not because of the team that is helping and supporting us, the people in the team that are so dedicated and passionate wanting to help these people. So yeah, we're really lucky to have them.